Okay. Oh, she's recording. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing a what I got for Christmas 2018 because I've been doing this for so long, like 7 years. Hi guys, so right now, and I'm gonna be doing a what I got for Christmas haul 2014, 2015, 2016. So gotta do it. But yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, anything that you celebrate. Yeah. Before I start, I am not bragging in any way at all. This is just highly requested. Yeah. Definitely subscribe me down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Also, yes, I look really extra right now, but don't let it fool you. I literally have sweats on for bottoms, so we're like halfway extra right now. Let's just hop right into this. Whew, I'm sweating. Whoa, that sounded weird. I'm gonna start off with the stuff that I got in my stocking from Santa. First, I first got some jerky because I literally eat jerky so much, like it's insane. Always the teriyaki kind. Stuff is so good. Also, it's already gone. Ow, I'm itchy. Okay. The next thing that I got was 2 SD cards and 64 gigabytes. We love that. I'm actually using one of them for this video, so a Regal gift card, so if anyone wants to see a movie with me, let me know down below. Let's go. I got this book called Sarai in the Spotlight. Like, she has my name. What is this? Next, I got some car, like, smell things. I don't know what Santa's trying to say. Does my car smell bad? I don't know. Probably. So much candy. I'm about to be thick. Got some EOS chapstick because my lips are crusty. Santa got me this deodorant, and this is the kind that I use. I use men deodorant. Is that weird? It works way better than the woman's one. This is the one I use. And then I got this Prep body scrub collection. Looks like this. It has really nice scents in it. Vanilla mint. Like, what does that smell like? I need to know now. Sugar cookie, oatmeal, honey, and candy apple. So got that. So I am literally so excited about this. I wear this perfume like 24/7. So if you want to know what I smell like, this is what I smell like, is Viva La Juicy. This perfume, guys, oh, I've been wearing it for years and it is literally my absolute favorite perfume. Ooh, okay, oh. Comes with the body lotion, the perfume, and a travel size one, which, yes, love that. I got these Nike sweatpants, which I love the waistband on these. Oh, this is big boy. The comforter that I'm sitting on right now has a big rip on it from my cat because he was like falling off the bed and decided to like scratch the whole thing down. So now there's a big hole, and Santa got me a comforter. It's a really similar one because they don't have the exact same one on that website, I'm pretty sure, Santa. But I got this comforter and it's really cozy, and it literally looks exactly the same as this one right now because I don't like change. Let's not get deep here. The next thing that I got was this heated micro plush throw blanket. If you know me, I'm literally always cold. That doesn't make sense because I'm literally sweating right now, but I think it's because of this jacket. But other than that, I'm literally always freezing cold at nighttime, so I'm so excited to use this. It's literally like you can heat it up. It has a remote. I'm ready for this. Whoop, boop, boop, boop. Sorry. Next, I got this multifunctional laptop table. Laptop table. Ew, I don't know why I said that. Okay. It looks like this, and I think it's so cool. I'm definitely gonna be chilling on my bed with my laptop table. I'm gonna look like a tech nerd. I'm ready. Ooh! Then I got this bag, which is so cute. It says Juicy Couture on it, and I think it came with the Viva La Juicy like set. Inside of it, my mom got me this Bliss Masking Mania Mighty Marshmallow Masks. Oh, it comes with like 4, I think. She really stocked me up on makeup wipes. You can never have too many of these. These are the best. Also, another scent that I always wear is from Pink, and it's called Warm and Cozy. I got 2 body mists, a body lotion, another body lotion. Okay. I'm like getting re-excited opening these up again. I got some Bath & Body Works Wallflowers, another deodorant. I'm actually so excited to use this. I think I saw this on, whose channel did I see this on? I don't remember. I got the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Gold Light, I think that's what it's called. And it's pretty much like a setting spray or a primer, and you put it on after you put your makeup on, and it has these like gold little sparkles in it. I think it's gonna look really good. Should I put it on right now? Yeah. I love that. Okie dokie. This gift is so adulty, but I love it. My mom got me literally so many towels. They're so soft and cozy. I don't know why, but I only have like beach towels. So she got me like real towels. So that's really cool. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Another adulty thing that my parents got me were these bowls because, these bowls because my mom got them a couple weeks ago, and I was like, I really like those bowls, so she got me some bowls, and they look like this. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use these. And then I got this diffuser, which has essential oils in it. It comes with orange and eucalyptus. Does this thing sing? Oh my gosh. It has meditating and raindrop sound effects when it comes out. I'm pumped. Oh boy. I got a Starbucks gift card, and then my grandma got me a pillow that says Girl Boss on it. I think it'll be really cute in my like little waiting room, loft room outside of my room. She's really sparkly and cute. I love it. And she also got me a Christmas pillow. These shoes. So whenever I go to my mom's house, I literally steal her slippers all the time because they're so comfy. So she got me a pair, and yes, I know they're not the cutest things ever, but guys, they are so comfy. Skechers. Look at these bad boys. Guys, they're so comfy. I swear they're, oh my gosh. My Omi and Opie, that means grandma and grandpa in German, they got me this Good Girl Carolina perfume set, and it smells so good. Look at this packaging. It comes with like body sparkle thing, which looks really nice with a spray tan perfume, and then it comes with a body cream. This stuff kind of smells like the Aquilina Pink Sugar perfume. It came with a little tote bag, some German chocolate, which I already kind of like ate a lot of it. I literally ate a bite of each one. More candy. I got these body oils, lavender and eucalyptus. Okay, so that is everything that I got for Christmas. Thank you so much, Santa and Mom, Dad, Grandma, everyone. I do know Christmas isn't just about getting gifts. It's about hanging out with your family and all of that good stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. That was a lot to say. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Merry Christmas.